Let's all get vaccinated now.
All we can do in this lockdown is exercise, eat, exercise.
Tell me guys, is that healthy?
So one more cheat meal.
Banana, strawberry, blueberry. Good morning guys. It's a beautiful day here in Toronto today. Okay, is it really? It's been raining every single day, and honestly, weather really affects your mood. If you stay in Canada, you know it. And I know, I talk about the weather all the time, but I really want to give this update because it affects my mood every time. Like, if it's all cloudy and gloomy, you don't really feel like doing anything. And I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this who are living in Canada. And when it's all bright and sunny, you just want to go out. Obviously, we cannot really go out anywhere, but at least we can go out for walks. But you never know. Weather is so unpredictable. It might just become sunny in 2 hours or even half an hour. But yeah, leave all of this. Today is actually a very happy day. Even if it's gloomy, this weather will not let me down because today I will be finally booking my appointment for vaccination. Yes, you guys, I'm finally going to get vaccinated. Okay, so let me give you an update. So starting from May 3rd, is it May already? I just keep losing track of date, month, everything. But anyways, so Ontario has opened up vaccinations for everyone who's 18 plus who lives in hotspots. So by hotspots, I mean there are only some neighborhoods which are eligible for this. But that's actually a good news for me because my neighborhood falls in those 114 hotspots. So I'm really excited to finally get myself an appointment. And guys, if you're anywhere else in the world, especially India, I mean, if you can get vaccinated, if you have access to the vaccination, please don't even think twice. Take any vaccination, whatever you get, because we all want to be safe and we all want to be out of this. But okay, coming back to my city here in Toronto, if you live in those neighborhoods, there's an online booking system and it's pretty simple. I'll put the link of the website here and also in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, you can. So now I'm not going to waste any time, and even you should not. If there's any vaccination available, guys, just take it. Don't delay all of this. And now I'm going to go and book my appointment right now, and let's pray I get something. So I've put in my information and now I am in line. 200,000 already. Wow. And the expected wait time is more than an hour. No worries, I'm here waiting in the line. Even if it takes forever, I'm coming. Finally, after waiting for a few hours, it says 1 minute and you will need your health card for this. So there's no availability. What the hell? Not for June? Okay, let me choose another. There's one time slot. I'll just take whatever is available. So for Wednesday, 12:50 p.m.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
26 May is after like almost 1 month.
That's fine. Sorry, it's no longer available. Shit, I was just going to choose that and it's gone. So appointment 1, it's May 31st. And for appointment 2, I'm going to take whatever is available.
So
now.
appointment 2 is second dose, right?
Yeah. I don't think you'll get it in May.
You are the lucky one. And the second dose is in September? 2 months is a lot of time. I can't wait till September.
So I'll do it 1st June.
1st June.
Second, it's going to be 21st September.
Woo!
So I'm booked for 31st of May and Saransh is booked for June 1st. And guys, the second appointment is in September.
That's
After like 2-3 months. Yeah, it's okay. We've got it. That's what's important. Let's all get vaccinated now. So guys, the vaccination is all done now and I've not taken a bath till now, so I'm going to go and I will see you soon. Okay, I'm ready and now I'm just going to get a little more ready. Wait, I'll just get ready with you. And guys, I'm so grateful that I was able to book my appointment. Okay, by the way, just to get ready, I don't really do any makeup or something. I just do my brows, and doing brows is like really important, especially guys when you girls can understand. when you are not able to get your threading done for like months and months and months, and I don't even remember when was the last time I got it done, but this really does the job. In my last video, I literally saw someone commenting that she had COVID and she was watching my videos and it made her smile, and I was like, oh my god. Obviously I don't want to know that people are testing positive. This should really end, but if I can bring a little positivity in someone's life, I'm gonna do that. That's why I'm not going to talk about all what's happening right now in India, because everybody knows it's pretty bad anyways. All I'm gonna say is stay safe, wear your mask, please help whoever is in need. Just do that. That's what's important. But I know you guys are doing your part and I'm very proud of you. Okay, my brows are done. A little better, I guess. And now I'm going to apply this lipstick, and this is my favorite shade. It's called Bombshell. So this is something that I apply for my everyday thing if I'm going out or not. Anyways, who cares? Even if I'm going out, because I'll be wearing mask on top of it, and then my mask is going to get dirty, and it's not a very good sight to see your lipstick stained mask. You girls know it, what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to go out and collect something that Saransh has bought. So let's go. It's a curbside pickup, so I'm outside the store and I'm calling them. Hi, I have a pickup.
What's your name?
It's by the name Saransh Gulati. So yeah, it's all shut here, as you can see.
Here you are.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so I went to Lululemon and I had to collect a yoga mat for Saransh. And guys, I've mentioned in so many of my videos, we both don't exercise, and I was thinking to go for a walk every day, but not saying I've gone every day. I'm still trying to. Whenever it's possible, I do that. But since it was raining all this week, so it was difficult. But Saransh is planning to start exercising at home, so that's why he wanted a yoga mat. So guys, I'm also thinking to rent one of these bikes and just like bike around, because the weather is going to open up in few days, although right now it's still cold. So let me check what's the date. I've never actually seen it. It says you need to download the Cycle Finder app, and for one single trip it's $3.25, and this is for 130-minute station to station trip, and for 24 hours it's $7. So I just sat here. I told you the weather here is so unpredictable, but it's good. It's so warm and sunny now, and I just saw these chairs here just right on the street, and I thought I'll just sit down, enjoy the sun. And that's what people are doing. Either people are biking around, or they're walking, or just sitting somewhere, but everybody's socially distant. Who do I social distance with? Like, there are hardly any people. These are such nice colorful chairs. People just get their coffee. Oh, streetcar. People just get their coffee or something to eat and then just sit here. I'm thinking maybe I'll get Saransh outside as well. He should enjoy this weather too, as he's just going to get free in another half an hour. Let's actually go back home, and I might just come back again outside for a walk. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm now thinking to make a smoothie, and I know a lot of you have asked for smoothie recipes. I don't really have a lot of fresh fruits, but otherwise I do get blueberries and strawberries, and I make some frozen fruit in it. So I want to make sure that I'm putting something fresh and something frozen as well. But one thing I can definitely share with you is something that I implemented recently. So I make sure that I add some greens to my smoothie. I either put celery or spinach or kale, any one of the greens, because obviously then I can get greens in my body, which is so important. I always used to think it's gonna be so weird. Smoothies are going to taste pathetic, but trust me guys, you won't even taste it. It completely blends with all the sweetness of the fruits and everything. So I'm just going to put maybe 4 sticks. I'm also using this frozen tropical blend. This actually has mango, pineapple, strawberries, kiwi and papaya. And guys, if you don't have like a tropical blend of frozen fruits, you can actually just add strawberry and blueberries. That's the one that I usually get. So I've just put very little water so that it helps to mix all the ingredients. Some frozen bananas, and also these frozen fruits here. Some peanut butter today. Yum. Some chia seeds, flax seeds. And now let's mix all of this goodness together. I have wasted a lot of bananas. I'm not lying. I am guilty of that. But since the time I've started freezing them, it's all good. Did you see how loud that was? Vitamix is a very powerful machine and it is very, very loud. I'm sure the other condo can hear the noise too when I start my Vitamix. But I love it. I don't know what's wrong with the color today. Oh, because I add a lot of strawberries. And this is the first time I've used tropical blend. So I just got like 2 strawberries. But who cares? It should taste good. That's what's important. And you know what you have to do. If you're making it, post on Instagram story and tag me in it. Because I love to see anything that you use or try, whatever I recommend. So do that. And hey, a lot of you have asked me about these glasses and these straws. They're actually from Amazon and they are so popular that they're always out of stock. But I'll just link it here and you can check if they're available. Cheers, guys. And let's also give it to Saransh. Saransh, finish your work. It's 6:30. Shit, I didn't realize the time.
Yeah, it's 6:30.
Damn. It's 6:30. Get up. Let's go out for a walk.
I'll take half an hour more.
Half? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Working
Working
overtime.
overtime. Yeah, sometimes I have to work overtime because there are so many meetings lined up in a day.
Yeah, these Zoom meetings. You all know it, guys.
You also know it.
Yeah, I know it. I've been through this. I'm sure you are doing this as well. Some meetings are just so useless, but you have to attend them. And then you just have to work an extra hour just to finish your work for the day. Okay, I'm going to just finish this up now and then I'll go for a walk. And hopefully with this guy right here. This lazy bum.
Am I lazy?
Oh, you are.
I get so tired after work, I don't feel like going for a walk.
Oh, come on. Everybody's working. It's not just you.
Guys, comment if you are tired after work, especially working overtime. Do you actually go for a walk?
I'm sure everyone does.
Or
Everyone does.
you just want to lie down and relax and chill for a bit?
Yeah, and what about our health? What about it? You don't do any physical exercise. You just sit on that chair all day long. Tell me, guys, is that healthy? No, it's not. So I'm not wrong. I push him to at least go for a walk. We don't do any exercise. At least go for a walk.
Maybe in like 10 minutes.
Fine.
We'll see together.
Fine. So guys, I actually got a water bottle for myself. And on my walks, I can always carry it. It's pretty lightweight. And it's got this handle too. Love, love, love the color. And this is what Saransh has gifted me. A water bottle. And Saransh Gulati is finally here.
Finally, I have my yoga mat, or you can say workout mat. I'm gonna start working out from tomorrow. So now this condo, this small cute little 550 square feet space, is gonna turn into a mini gym as well. But I'm just figuring out where will I work out. There's hardly any place. This is a living room. Kitchen is here.
You can work out on my head. Like the way you said it in my previous videos when I was like, where do I keep this? Where do you keep that? No, just work out on my head.
I think that would be the only option I'm left with right now. That's so sad. I would really love to have my own separate space, like a small cute little gym.
Forget gym, just an extra space here, like whatever. Like even if it's a second room, that would help. But what was that?
Sad face. So
Start
one
something.
more cheat meal, and I'm actually craving for Chen Chen fried chicken burger. So I'm gonna have that over the weekend and then probably start my workout journey from next week. So
Okay.
stay tuned.
But now let's go for a walk. It is a little cold now, but still not bad. 12 degrees.
Yeah, we're kind of used to it now.
Yeah.
12 degrees is not cold for us.
There's a lot of freshness, but then you feel as if you're just standing in front of the AC.
I'm still yawning.
Oh, what did I just see? Finally, one cherry blossom tree. This is so beautiful. It looks so pretty, isn't it? I wish there were more trees like this, but this one standalone tree also looks so beautiful. Really, really pretty. And guys, I know we all are in a lockdown. What do you guys do? Like, how do you spend your time? Let me know in the comment section below. Because the only thing we are able to do is just go out for walks. And this just makes us happy. And also, obviously, the food. Yeah, again, just stay safe. And look at all these houses here.
Ah, they are beautiful. They are like, you know, the houses you see in Europe, pretty vintage. I think one house must be more than 1 million.
Yeah, very expensive, but they're like beautiful, good looking houses.
These are the train tracks called Go Train, which is basically train that goes intercity. Like from, if you want to go from Toronto to Mississauga or Brampton or Milton and towards the west or east, you have to take the Go Train.
Yeah. Look at the view from here. Isn't this amazing?
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
That view was so good, right guys? I'm sure you loved it as well. And it's a very easy dinner today. It's
Chicken wings.
let's go back home. I just received a parcel and this is actually from my previous company. What did they send me? I'm not even working there anymore. This is weird. I'm scared, but I'm excited too.
I think they're still sending you
Whoa!
clothes.
This is actually a t-shirt.
Merchandise.
Yeah, I guess they have not updated their records or something. Anyways, let's cook dinner now. And we're making chicken wings.
Put it fast.
Whoa. And what are you doing?
Time for some push-ups and
Why?
to test out the mat. It's been ages I haven't done a push-up.
That's so bad.
Oh!
Oh shit. Oh shit, Saransh, you're not able to do it at all. That was such a bad posture.
Let's try abs.
Abs. Whoa. Saransh, you should first do stretching before doing all of this.
Oh! Done. The mat is amazing. It's pretty solid. It has a really nice cushion, but I'm unhappy with the space. It sucks, man. Kitchen is just here. It feels like I'm working out in my kitchen.
What if I have to cook there in the evening, if I have to do something and then in the evening you'll do this on the side?
I'm gonna block that time for myself. You won't be able to come and cook in the kitchen. Sorry guys, I know my posture is not that great. Please don't comment in the comment section. I'm gonna get there.
Yeah. You used to go to gym.
Yeah, I used to.
Back in India.
Peekaboo, check out my posture.
That's so bad.
I used to go to the gym like long time back, a year ago. But I think I'm gonna get there. We really need to watch some fitness YouTube videos.
Yeah. Guys, for Saransh, anything that you guys watch and that you see while you exercise at home.
Yeah, probably a half an hour high intensity workout. Any
my God.
specific channel if you guys know.
High intensity in this 500 square feet condo.
Fat, 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 fat. Too much fat everywhere.
It's all pumped up.
Yeah, my arms are pumped up. All we can do in this lockdown is exercise. Eat. Exercise.
And I also received this bag from Auntie Lucy's. Just a token of appreciation. Let me see what the note is. I love reading handwritten notes, always. Pooja, thank you for including us in your video. It was a great production. Please enjoy this t-shirt and bag as a token of our appreciation at Auntie Lucy's Burgers, Best Chief. Wow, that's so sweet of them to send this. Our dinner is ready. So this is the chicken wings and salad. Enjoy your dinner.
Even you guys enjoy yours.
So that's it guys for today, and we can't wait to get vaccinated. Finally, we have our appointments booked and really excited for May 31st for me and June 1st for Saransh here. And are you excited to get vaccinated?
100%, can't wait.
I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Please don't forget guys, it's not like this has become like something that you would ignore, because I know I keep saying it at the end of the video, but take it seriously. Please do like the video if you really like it, and obviously you know the drill.
Most importantly, subscribe.
Yeah, and I know most of you have subscribed, but if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.